First I like to weigh out the flour. You make a volcano with the flour, and then you add the liquid right in the middle. You can also mix the water, eggs, oil, and the salt, and then add the flour. Either way works. Then you slowly start mixing with a fork, using all of the flour, mixing it with the liquid. I like to use the scraper to mix all the flour together with the water. Once it's mixed, you start mixing with your hands in order to start mixing it well. And then you slowly knead with your hands, rocking from side to side until it's all mixed together. Making sure I use up all the flour that's on the board. So after I mix it all up, I roll it out with a rolling pin in between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch thick. Then I lightly drizzle some olive oil on it and I lightly rub it. And then I cover the whole thing with some plastic wrap. And then I let it rest for 30 minutes.